So we have the ratchet bracket. Okay, and we're gonna draw it up, and then I've taken two videos to kind of show it live playing out.
Yeah.
Okay, so just in terms of how yours looks, right? You're gonna want to have the quantity basis as profit. I also mentioned that if ratchet bracket isn't good for you, we have something simpler called grab sense. This is more of like a scalping kind of tactic, but we can go through grab sense as well if ratchet bracket is no good. So, okay, so here's this. You have your target, your quantity basis of profit, and let's just, you're going to set these numbers to whatever is good for you, but I'll explain how the math kind of plays out. So I have set mine to start at $15 a bracket and a stop loss of $200, and I'm going to have two brackets and a 50% trail. Okay, so let's draw this up. So we're in profit mode, and let's just make believe we have an order quantity of 4 and an average fill of 4 as well. Okay, we have number of brackets is 2, and we're going to have our trail of 50%. And we set target profit of $15 and our stop loss to 200. Okay, so when we give these parameters, the software is going to be smart for us and is going to translate that for us into a stop, as well as resting orders. Okay, so see right here. So we're going to have the $15. Okay, so 1 sec. Okay, so here's the math. So the quantity of 4 is going, I should start with the stop. Okay, so we have a quantity of 4, and the stop loss is going to be $200. So that's going to be a stop of $50, a $50 stop, making it a stop of 3.5. Okay, so that's the 4, right? So the second that you have a $200 loss, it's going to take you out.
Yeah.
Okay. The quantity of 4 is going to be translated into 2 resting orders of quantity 1, right? The 2 means the number of brackets, and the quantity and we're gonna, because we have a trail of 50%, the trail of 50% is going to translate into 2 quantity left to trail, right? Okay, so 1 bracket is going to be for a gain of $15, right? And then another is going to be for a gain of $30, right? And that's gotten from here, target profit of $50. Okay, so our order is going to, right, we've set aside, we want 2 brackets, and we're going to have 2 quantity left over for trail. So that's going to turn into 2 brackets of 1 quantity each, right? Split it up evenly. And it's going to, the software is going to figure out for us a price of 4.15 and a price of 4.3. Okay, great. So, okay, so the math makes sense, right? So, and if you change this to 8 quantity, it will be smart as well, right? So it will change the trail to 4, and you're going to have 2 resting orders of quantity 2, quantity 2, 2, 2. So that becomes 4 plus 4 equals 8. And your price would change to, right, like that. So you can have $15, right? So basically, the idea is that you provide profit targets, and you have profit, and then you have a stop loss. Okay, that will take you out, and the benefit, when you're trading live, it's hard to figure out all of those prices and the quantity. So this will do the math for you.
Okay.
Okay, so just to show once more, this is what this will look like right here. Okay, so now I've taken 2 videos. See which one this is. See what the name of this video is. Okay, so this is the one that's going to take us out really, really fast. Okay, so here, let's start. And so this is just simulated data. When I have a break of 101, we're going to enter. Okay, so our fill is 4.47. And in this one, I had a profit of a target profit of $50, so it's going to look a little bit different. That's where you see the 5.4, the 4.95 is about $50 and 5.45. And you'll see a stop that's going to a 50, right? So 4.47 minus the 50 is going to amount to, right? That's going to be a $200 stop loss.
Yeah.
Okay, so just very simple. You see how we calculated the stop and everything. And this is going to take us out really, really fast. Just speed it up. So the goal is to see is that you have that stop kind of right underneath you. So the second crosses over, right, crossed over 3.97, it took us out. And then, okay, so that's an example of it not working, like of the trade not working.
Yeah.
Now let's get up a video of the trade working.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have a break of 100.25. Okay, so we have our fill of 4.19.
Mm-hmm.
And our stop is at 3.69, right? The same, $50 is going to be a $200 stop on a quantity of 4. Now, right here, we have our $15 first bracket gain and our $30 second bracket gain. Okay, now watch as eventually, let's fast forward this a little bit. Right, so just rewind 10 seconds. So we're going to take out this profit right here and watch the stop going to ratchet up by 15 cents. So boom, it turned to 3.84, right? The order got filled. So that's what the goal of this of the ratchet bracket is that you have your orders getting filled and then a stop always coming along with it. So that one got right, that one, the next one's also about to get filled, and it's going to change from 3.84 to 4, right? Which is going to be 50 cents minus this. Right, okay, so it just did, and the order is about to get filled. My computer can't handle stuff and everything. Okay, and now you'll see where the trail comes in, right? So now we have no more resting orders, but we're going to continue to ratchet this stop up as orders get filled, or as the price continues to go up. So when this hits 4.65, right, the stop is also still going to ratchet up.
Yeah.
It's almost there. Okay, now it's going to get there. So it's starting to ratchet up. You see it ratchets up to 4.15. And so that's how it works.